Ever feel like you're paying for something you barely use? Like, you signed up for that cool streaming service, Neon, ages ago, and now it's just collecting dust in your subscriptions? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to ditch that Neon subscription using the Spark app. Buckle up, because we're about to simplify your life and your bank account. Spark is this awesome app that acts like your personal finance superhero. It connects to all your accounts, from your bank to your streaming services, and gives you a crystal clear view of where your money's actually going. No more hazy guesses or surprise charges. And the best part? Spark makes it ridiculously easy to cancel those subscriptions you no longer need, like that Neon account that's been draining your wallet. Step-by-step guide. Alright, let's get down to business. Here's how to cancel Neon through the Spark app. Open the Spark app, familiar territory, right? Tap on the Subscriptions tab. This is where the magic happens. Spark will magically list all your active subscriptions. Find your Neon subscription, scroll through the list and locate that pesky Neon subscription. Tap on the Neon subscription. A detailed view of your Neon subscription will appear, including the cost and next billing date. Tap on the Cancel Subscription button. Boom. That's it. Spark will guide you through the cancellation process. Confirm cancellation, double-check everything, and confirm your cancellation request. And just like that, you're free from the shackles of that unused Neon subscription. High five. Troubleshooting tips. Okay, what if you run into a snag? Maybe the cancel button is grayed out, or Spark can't seem to find your Neon subscription. Don't panic. Here are a few troubleshooting tips. Check your Neon account directly. Sometimes, you might need to cancel your subscription directly through the Neon website or app. Update Spark. Make sure you have the latest version of the Spark app installed. Updates often include bug fixes and improved compatibility. Contact Spark support. If you're still having trouble, reach out to the Spark support team. They're usually super helpful and can assist you with any issues. With these tips, you should be able to conquer that Neon subscription cancellation with ease. Benefits of using Spark. But wait, there's more. Canceling subscriptions is just one of the many superpowers of the Spark app. Here are some other amazing benefits. Track your spending. Get a bird's eye view of where your money is going. Create budgets. Set realistic spending limits and stay on track. Save money. Identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Get personalized financial insights. Spark provides valuable insights into your spending habits, helping you make smarter financial decisions. So, if you're serious about taking control of your finances, the Spark app is a must-have. Ready to simplify your life and ditch those unwanted subscriptions? Download the Spark app today and experience the magic for yourself. The link is in the description below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.